Hi, it's Dwayne Morris, the Urban Soul Chef. And you've asked for it. We're going to do it today. We're going to cook some cabbage greens. So get ready. Let's cook those greens. Okay, what we need is a full-size boiler. I need you to fill it halfway, or like I did, a quarter of the way with fresh water. We're going to put that on there to boil. Get your cabbage, cut it up. When you cut it, make sure to cut out the white core in there and cut it the way you prefer to cut it. And by now, the water should be almost ready to put the turkey wings in. I'm using turkey wings today. You can use turkey wings, pork, any kind of smoked meat or either salted pork you like to put in there. Once that water starts boiling, put your meat in there. Now, I'm gonna tell you, my objective when I'm cooking greens, any type of green, is to create actually a meat broth with the turkey wings or pork. All right, now that's what you wanna see right there. See that? See that right there? That is beautiful. All right, now I'm dropping the cabbages in that have been cut into that broth that's boiling real good. It's boiling and steaming. That's what you want. Now, listen. Don't put all your greens in the pot at one time. Layer them. That's one of the secrets that I do. Layer your greens. Let these steam and wither and cook down. Now, that's not no piece of... Some people ask me, was that a lizard? No, that's not a lizard. That's the turkey wing I just put in there to the right. So don't even say that. Don't ask me that. All right, they're cooking down. And you may want to put a little oil in there, some shortening. About a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of shortening. All right, now we're adding some more in there. You want those to cook down. And you keep doing that until you get all your greens in. You don't want to put all your greens in the pot at one time. See how those have cooked down? That meat looks good. Now let me tell you, when you cook this meat right, it's gonna be good enough to eat after you finish cooking the greens. And plus your liquor is gonna be so good. That liquor's good with that cornbread that I have in my video. You can check that out. I got a cornbread video that's good for cornbread and buttermilk cornbread dressing. All right, we're cooking down. Listen. You hear that? You hear that? All right, here they are, finished product, cabbage greens. Now, you can determine if you want to cook them all the way down or you can kind of steam boil cook them. This is good. All right, thanks for tuning in. This was a simple recipe. You guys can cook this tomorrow if you want to, or even today. It's very simple. And while you are on here, I want to let you know about my chili seasoning mix that I have. The chili seasoning mix was inspired by an experience I had. I went to the store, bought some chili in a can, and I was not pleased with it. I'm like, is this stuff fresh? How long has it been in the can? So I went home and made my own chili seasoning mix, and I don't buy canned chili anymore. I make my own chili, and I wanted to offer this to you. So go to my website, urbansoulchef.com, and purchase you a bottle of the chili. If you buy it, you won't go back to the can ever again. Thanks for tuning in. God bless you, and continue to watch the Urban Soul Chef.